Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop Stand. Start by laying out your foam block, skewers, glue, and decorations so everything is ready. Pick a base size that fits how many lollipops you want to display and plan skewer spacing for balance. Take safety precautions with sharp skewers and supervise kids. We will assemble the base, insert sticks evenly, and add decorative touches for a polished look that holds treats securely. Begin by trimming the foam to the size that fits your display space and number of lollipops. Use a ruler to mark evenly spaced insertion points so each stick stands straight and avoids crowding. Carefully pre-drill or poke holes slightly smaller than the skewer diameter for a snug fit. Test one skewer and adjust hole depth to balance stick stability. Finish by reinforcing the base edges if needed for a clean, durable display. Once the lollipop stands securely, personalize the display to match your event or theme. Cover the foam with coordinating paper or fabric and smooth edges for a tidy look. Attach ribbons or small labels to skewers for flavor identification or guest names. Consider a protective seal to keep foam intact and food-safe assembly. Take a step back to ensure spacing and visual balance, then place lollipops and admire your charming, practical centerpiece.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.